Hello everyone, welcome to Agriculture and GK YouTube channel. Myself Sandala Gayatri. Today we will discuss on IFCO HET Module Question Paper 2020 Part 2 Most Expected 50 Questions of Agricultural Economics, especially of Agricultural Marketing. Friends, if you are new at this channel, kindly subscribe now. Friends, we brought a golden opportunity for you to crack all competitive exams. Those who are searching for agriculture and other competitive exam study materials, I think this is the best opportunity for you people. So don't delay. Join now Agriculture and GK WhatsApp Premium Group. Only 300 rupees per month. Facilities for Premium Group members are: we will send you the best study material in group for your preparation. You will get PDF of all our YouTube videos. You will get answers to all your questions in the group. All question papers related to the examinations will be given to you in group. So please join now. Let's get started. First question is, national markets are found for which type of goods? Answer is durable goods. Third option. On the basis of area, markets are classified into four types, that is village markets, regional markets, national markets and world markets. Under national market, market in which buyers and sellers are at national level. These are found for durable goods like jute and tea. Examples for this are jute and tea. Second question is, regional markets are found for food grains. Under this market, buyers and sellers for a commodity are drawn from a larger area than local markets. Third question is, short period markets are found for a perishable goods. On the basis of time span, markets are classified into short period markets, long period markets and secular markets. Short period markets, in which they are held only for a few hours, are called short period markets. The products dealt with in these markets are of highly perishable in nature, such as fish, meat, vegetables, etc. In these markets, the price of commodities are governed mainly by the extent of demand rather than supply of the commodity. Fourth question is, which market is permanent in nature? Answer is secular market. These markets are of permanent in nature. The commodities traded in these markets are durable in nature and can be stored for many years. Examples for this market are machinery and manufactured goods. Fifth question is, food grain markets, vegetable markets, wool markets are example of, it is of specialized market. Answer second option. Specialized markets, a market in which transactions takes place only in one or two commodities, is known as specialized market. For every group of commodities, separate markets exist. The examples for this are food grain markets, vegetable market, wool markets and cotton markets. Sixth question is, a market in which there are more than two but still a few sellers of a commodity is termed as oligopoly market. Seventh question is, Indian farmers operate in dash market when purchasing electricity for irrigation. It is of monopoly. Eighth question is, transportation adds dash utility. Answer is place utility. There are four types of utility: form utility, place utility, time utility and possession utility. For place utility, example is transportation. For time utility, example is storage. Storage adds time utility. Possession, buying and selling Buying and selling adds possession utility and form utility processing. Processing adds form utility. Ninth question is the marketing function of buying and selling adds dash utility. Now only we discussed it is possession utility. 10th question is dash is the first function performed in the marketing of agricultural commodities. Answer is packing. Packing is the first function performed in the marketing of agricultural commodities. 11th question is who take title of the product with a view to making a profit. Answer is speculative middleman. These are not regular buyers or sellers of produce. They specialize in risk taking. They buy at low prices when arrivals are substantial and sell in the off season when prices are high. They do the minimum handling of goods. They make profit from short run as well as long run price fluctuations. 12th question is the FCA was established in the year 1965. 13th question is a market in which there are more than two but still a few buyers of a commodity is termed as. Previously they asked few sellers, now they are asking few buyers. So answer is first option, a oligopsony market. 14th question is regulated market committee consisting of how many members? It consists of 17 members. 15th question GATT General Agreement on Tariff and Trade and World Trade Organization established in the year. GATT established in the year 1947 and WTO established in the year 1995 Jan 1st based on Uruguay round. Sixteenth question the Warehousing Corporations Act came into operation on first option that is 18th March 1962. 17th question commercial banks advance up to how much percentage of the value of the produce stored in the warehouse? It is of 75%. 18th question regularly occurring upswings and downswings in prices are termed as dash fluctuations in prices. It is cyclical fluctuations. 19th question dash arise due to changes in government policies, programs, changes in taxes and tariffs. It is institutional risks. Risk. What is meant by risk? Risk is inherent in all marketing transactions. Fire, rodents, quality deterioration, price fall, change in taste, habits or fashion, placing the commodity in the wrong hands or area are also associated with marketing risk. There are three types of risk: physical risk, price risk and institutional risk. Institutional risk include risk arising out of a change in the government budget policy, imposition of levies, price controls, etc. So here they are given government policies, programs, changes in tax and tariffs. It is due to institutional risks. 20th question is Central Agmark Lab is located at. It is located at Nagpur, Maharashtra. 21st question is the Agricultural Produce Grading and Marketing Act was passed in the year. It is passed in the year 1937. That is third option. The Act empowers the central government to fix quality standards known as Agmark standards and to prescribe terms and conditions for using the seal of Agmark. 22nd question is the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was passed in the year 1954. That is first option. 23rd question is Vegetable Oil Products Standard of Quality Order was passed in the year 1975. 24th question. The area of operation of society is restricted to one village is called PACS, that is Primary Agricultural Cooperative Societies. 25th question. The statutory minimum price is announced for sugarcane crop, that is fourth option. It is especially for sugarcane crop. 26th question. The marketed surplus is dash to the marketable surplus for perishable commodities. For perishable commodities, it is equal. If marketed surplus is greater than marketable surplus, it is for small farmers, which leads to distress sale. If it is less than marketable surplus, example are larger farmers. 27th question is DMI, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, headquarters is located at C. Faridabad. 28th question. Marketable surplus is given by marketable surplus is equal to total production minus total consumption. 29th question. WTO, that is World Trade Organization, came into effect from, I discussed this before. Answer is Jan 1st, 1995. 30th question is risks arise due to changes in government policies are termed as a. For government policies, it is of institutional risk. 31st question. The Warehousing Corporation Act came into operation on 18 March 1962. 32nd question. The first state warehousing corporations was set up in which state? That is Bihar in 1956. 33rd question is International Organization for Standardization came into existence on 25th February 1947. Answer is first option. 34th question. The Codex Alimentarius Commission was established in the year 1963. International food safety standards are developed by the Codex Alimentarius Commission, that is Codex. This is a joint commission of FAO and WHO. That is Food and Agricultural Organization, World Health Organization, WHO, and recognizes HACCP, that is Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point based system for food. As per WTO requirement, only Codex standards are acceptable for international standards. Therefore, Codex HACCP is minimum international standard for trade among countries in future. Based on this analysis, appropriate action can be taken to ensure that the areas identified as critical control points are kept under control and are not allowed to endanger the items produced. 35th question. Dash is not a function of marketing. It is harvesting. Harvesting is not a function of marketing. 36th question. Dash is considered as market lifeblood. Market information is considered as market lifeblood. 37th question. What is support price for an agricultural commodity? It is the minimum price at which government is prepared to buy it. That is third option. 38th question. Which one of the following is a competitive market? Answer is perfect market. 39th question. Regulated market ensures fair price. That is fourth option. For 40th question. The Agriculture Price Commission was set up in the year 1965. This was discussed already. Codex Alimentarius Commission established in the year 1963. 42nd question. The Fruit Products Order 1956 order lays down mandatory standards for processed fruits. That is third option. Forty-third question. The Indian Seeds Act was passed in the year. It is passed in the year 1966. 44th question. NAFED was established in the year. It is established in the year October 1958. NAFED procures oil, seeds and pulses, whereas FCA procures only rice and wheat. 45th question. In our state, the structure of cooperative marketing is, it is of three-tiered system, that is state cooperative market, central or district cooperative market, central district level, and village level it is PACS, that is primary agriculture cooperative societies. 46th question. At present, the Director General of WTO is, answer is none. Actually at present there is no Director General. Previous it is of Roberto Azevedo. He has retired on August 31st, 2020. His tenure is from 2013 to 2020. 47th question. Directorate of Marketing and Inspection established in the year 1935. 48th question. Food Corporation of India established on 1965 and APEDA established on 1986. APEDA is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. 49th question. International Organization for Standardization established in the year 1947. 50th question. Processing adds following utility. It adds farm utility. Thank you. Friends, if you like this video and it is helpful and knowledgeable for you, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.